So today I'm going to be doing a quick empties video. Usually I wait until I have a few more products, but I just feel like doing an empties today, so that's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna go through all my trash, share with you some of the products that I've been loving and some of the products that I did not love. So yeah, let's get started. So the first product is in almost every empties I've ever done, and that is the Epielle makeup wipes. These are the green tea ones. I go back and forth which ones I like, but I get these from Big Lots. It's $2 for 60 wipes, or you can get the 30 wipes for $1. These are just some of my favorites and in every video I've ever shown, so you're probably tired of seeing these, but I'm never gonna stop using them. The next product, I actually got this way back, I think around in October, and I used these up finally after a while, and I've had them for quite a bit. And I've already done a buy or bye video on these before, but in case you missed that video, these are the Too Cool for School Pumpkin Hydro Peeling Duo Pads. So you can actually, I believe you can get these from Ulta now. I got mine from Rose Shop, and they are way less expensive on Rose Shop. I think I paid around $6 or so for these. I feel like they were maybe $18 or so on Ulta, so you can definitely get them for way less expensive from Rose Shop. And these were the pumpkin peeling masks, so basically it comes with two different pads here, and one of them you use like in the daytime and one you use in the nighttime. To be honest, I would kind of forget to use the daytime ones, which is like the orange side here. So I ended up using up all the nighttime ones a lot sooner than I did with the daytime ones. Overall, I also didn't notice very much of a difference at all between the two pads. Like, they had the same texture to them, they had the same scent to them, which is another thing to mention. These kind of have a very like true pumpkin smell, like not like a Bath and Body Works pumpkin or like a lotion type of pumpkin, like an actual I just cut open a pumpkin and I'm carving it kind of smell. It's not that strong, but it's a very earthy kind of organic pumpkin smell to it as well. And overall, I just didn't really find it doing much for my skin, or at least nothing that was that noticeable. So I would not buy those again. I didn't think there were anything that spectacular at all, but I did enjoy at least using them all up and getting the satisfaction of that. The next product I used up is a eye makeup remover, and this is from Etude House. It's called the Lip and Eye Remover. Now, one of my all-time favorite ones is also from Etude House, and it's the One Shot Clean Mascara Remover. But this one I feel like is exactly the same thing. It just comes in like the same type of bottle, but this one comes in like a blue kind of pretty color. It's nothing different though. When I first started using this though, I felt like it worked a tiny bit better, but I think that was just because it was new, and sometimes I feel like you just get used to products and they don't work as well. So whenever I use this one, I felt like it worked just a tiny bit better because it was like a new product. But overall, I like both of these. They're about the same price, and I thought that they both did a good job. So would I buy this one again? I would totally use it again. I feel like they are kind of interchangeable between the two for me, so I would definitely buy this one again. The next product I used up was a hair dye, and I actually did a few videos on this one. I did one when I dyed my hair this color and kind of my thoughts on it, and then I just recently posted the update to it for how my hair color has faded, and this is the L'Oreal Superior Preference, and this one's in the color 8S Soft Silver Blonde. So this is what it looks like, and overall I really enjoyed using this hair dye. I like how it faded, I like how my hair looks afterwards. It still has a little bit of that soft silvery kind of cast to it, and overall I really like this one, and I hope they make this permanent, so I would totally use this one again. And I also have one other box, so I might use it again in the future very soon. And then of course the other hair dye that I always use, this is my all-time favorite one to do my roots. This is the L'Oreal Feria Absolute Platinum and Extreme Platinum. All-time favorite hair dye. I use this one all the time. The next product I used up finally was my e.l.f. Eyelid Primer. This is just the cheap $1 one. I've had this for so long, and I wanted to just finally use it up and use what's in my collection and not have like a lot of these like random products just waiting. So I finally used up this one. I thought it was pretty okay for an eyeshadow primer for $1. I've gotten a lot less snobby over the years when it comes to eyeshadow primer, but this one isn't my favorite, but I'm glad I finally used it up. And the last few things I used up were all like sample size products. So the first two, I don't know if I've showed this one in my last empties or not, but these are from Banila Co. They are called the Clean It Zero. But I used up these two. They're both just cleansing balms. But overall, I really like these, and I would totally buy the full size of these in the future. And then the last few things I used up were just some sample products. These are some of my favorite BB cream samples. These are the Choboyang BB cream. I have used up 3 of these, and I have yet to purchase the full size, but I really do like this one because it matches my skin skin so well. And then the final thing I used up, this is one of my all-time favorites, and it's like one of those seasonal products. This is one of the Scentsy Wax from like Walmart. It's just the Pumpkin Marshmallow Cream. This one is my all-time favorite, but I feel like it's so hard to find it when it's outside of fall time. But it smells so good, and I feel like when fall time comes around again, I'm gonna like buy like 30 of these and just stock up on them because it's my all-time favorite one, and I love it because it's so strong and it makes my house smell amazing. So that is it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed. If you did, please like and subscribe. You can follow me on Instagram, link is below. And until my next video, I will talk to you guys later. Bye.